Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to fix YouTube not working, not opening issue on iPhone. I will tell you the problem that when you open your YouTube, then your YouTube is not working. As you can see this error coming on iPhone. Error while loading, tap to retry. Solution 1. Go to settings. Click on Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and your network should be good. Solution 2. Go to settings. Click on General. Now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again, tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 3. Go to App Store. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on Update All. Make sure your YouTube app is updated. As you can see, I hope this video is helpful for you. So guys, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.